welcome to the Rolling Studio, hopefully soon to be SP Arts or SP Arts and Design. I am asking for feedback for those two names. The third one has already been eliminated due to the feedback I've already gotten. Thank you for your feedback if you've done so. If you haven't, please let me know which one you like. In the meantime, welcome to the hashtag First Saturday Art Hop. This is a group of artists that have come together, hosted by Ayala Arts, and we get together once a month and we do a collaboration where we're all doing a prompt from the month, each month. So we'll be doing one each month. So we will release it the first Saturday of each month. This is the month of March, where we have the prompts for butterflies, rain boots, dandelions, I think quilting day, and I'm not sure which else there was. I didn't write them down. I apologize for that. But in my case, I decided to go with flowers and butterflies, and I did it while doing a new creative button doll. These will be on cards. I'm going to make these this year's out of cards, and then I plan to possibly make prints. If you're interested in one of those, please let me know so that I can get some feedback whether I should move forward in making prints of each of these button dolls. If you'd love to have one, please send me a message and then we can go from there. I also have an email that you can reach me at, and in the description box below, and Artstroidinary Arts at can't remember if it's Gmail, but I'll put it here in the video so that you can see it, or you can just send me a message and we can discuss it there. But you can also find my QR code at the end of the video, which is my PayPal account. That's where I do all of my transactions at this point. I'm not a business, but I do have purchases and sales through that PayPal account. So if you're interested in a print or any of my other work, I appreciate your support in your business. I also have another channel called Stefador's Jewelry and More. It is my jewelry channel, so please check that out. You'll also find my Christian Talk channel, which is called Let's Talk, and I have a small nature channel as well. All those are in the description box below. However, speaking of in descriptions box below, please follow each artist in this hop by going into the description box below and clicking the link after you've watched my video and commented and subscribed and followed and shared. Please go to the next artist and click on their link and watch that one, and then they'll have a link, and then so on until you come back to my video. That would be a great help and a great support to each of these creative artists that are here in this collaboration hop. We would appreciate your support. We are trying to bring you entertaining content and creative subject matter, and we do hope that you like it and love it and share it and appreciate it. Thank you so much. Also, a quick blurb on the music in the background. The first song that you're hearing in the background, whether it's in the background or foreground, the first one is Sunset Fire, and then the second one is A Fairy's Dance. I created both of these music beats through a program. I think it's in the description box too, but I think it is called Music Maker Jam, and I made these years ago, but I haven't been creating the music, except I have recently been playing around with AI. I don't really get into AI, but I've actually been enjoying playing with it a little bit, and you might come across a couple of my short videos where I had just made the February doll come to life. It's got AI music that I used. I created the music and generated it through some words that I chose, and it generated the song as well as the animation. Now on this one, the animation comes at the end, so be patient. I was trying to do it with this one, but apparently they don't allow me to download it to my device. I've got to find a different AI program in order to try to create that and put it in my videos. But in the meantime, this button doll I use for butterflies, and I thought it would be cute to set her on the heel while she's wearing a butterfly costume. And I just thought she was really cute. She's got her little butterflies around and her little critters around. And I hope that you're enjoying the creative process here. I started with watercolor, and then I ended up with some Faber-Castells and some prism color pencils, and of course the white jelly roll for highlights, and then I used the Faber-Castell for my outlining, along with the Prismacolor fine liner. So those are the things that I used, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this so far. I am going to let you listen to the rest of the music, but in the meantime, I do ask one more time that you subscribe, like, follow, share, follow the hop, go to the link in the description box below to follow the next artist, and let's keep this support going on so we can grow our channels and help one another out. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you at the next hop. So I'll talk to you later. God bless you. All right. Bye-bye.
Wow.